Welcome back to the ethanol review. Today we're going to do another steaming hot weather cocktail, the Tradewinds. Soft, supple, coconutty. We're on the water right now, rocking. Here, take my hand. And let's take a trip together with nothing but the cool, refreshing Tradewinds at our back. Cream of coconut dripping from our lips. The water rocking the boat. I couldn't really find much history on this drink. The first that I saw on the internet was from Jeff Beachbum Berry, who's a tiki icon, I guess you could say, an author, and his tiki remix compendium of recipes and folklore and all of that. You see the Tradewinds first on paper, but it's supposed to be from the 1970s or so. But it's a really simple drink. I've never actually tasted it before because getting some of the ingredients, this natural apricot liqueur, has been very difficult, but I found some. And so I'm really excited to taste it in this drink. Yes, so we'll get right in to the cocktail. Tradewinds. So grab your mixing vessel. Begin with our cheapest ingredients first, which is lemon juice, freshly squeezed. We're doing a full ounce of this lemon juice. Next up, coconut cream. This is 1.5 ounces. Really thick stuff. So this should have some nice texture in the final product. Next up, the very hard to source in Alabama apricot liqueur. This is from Rothman and Winter. They're out of Austria. They do all natural eau de vie with the actual juice itself. So eau de vie, by the way, that's basically a brandy that hasn't been aged at all. It's like the fresh heart of the brandy. It smells really good. It smells like real apricots. So we're gonna do an ounce of apricot liqueur. Really excited about this. Next up is Plantation 3-star. Well, this is the brand I'm using. The recipe actually calls for a blended, lightly aged rum, which is the category that Plantation 3-star falls in, which I think this is one of the best cocktail rums around. Oh, that's a full ounce also. So pretty simple cocktail, right? A lot of ounces. This is gonna be an ounce too. Black blended rum. And this is Pampero Aniversario. So black blended rum is the category, the brand Pampero Aniversario. You could also use Gosling's Black Seal. That's what I would use if I had it. It's a little cheaper, a little simpler. I think some of the complexity and nuance that's in rums like this, which I'm not saying it's like profound by any means, but it's a good sipping rum. I usually wouldn't use it in a multi-ingredient cocktail like this. Maybe if I was doing like a rum old fashioned or something simpler where I could let this shine more. But yes, I would use something cheaper like Gosling's Black Seal for a black blended rum. This calls for an ounce. And that's it. So very simple, almost equal parts cocktail. I'm curious to see how it's gonna taste. It's like I said, I've never actually had one before. This is gonna be shaken. Yeah, whatever. Ooh. Collins glass. Fuck, baby. Well, well, well. Looks kind of like a pina colada, but I suspect it's not going to taste a lot like one. To garnish, perhaps a lemon wheel or a lemon wedge if you were so inclined. And that's it. I may add some mint in a second, but I want to see how it tastes first by itself. Damn, that's good. That's, it is kind of like a pina colada, but more of that fresh fruit, more body, not cloyingly sweet, great texture, very creamy. Really fresh. I mean, it's like biting into an apricot and like having some fucking just cream right next to it. There you go, apricots and cream. With just a smidge of molasses in the background. The aroma is really, really good. The aroma, you get a nutty character. Less of the fruit, more of the coconut and this just nuttiness. But then on the palate, you get the cream and you get the apricot. Tiki is just blowing my fucking mind lately. Fuck!